Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech Pro X60. In this video I'll show you how to pair your keyboard with PC via Bluetooth. In the beginning, make sure that Bluetooth pairing mode is enabled. And now on your PC, go to Bluetooth settings. Now, add Bluetooth device and select Pro X60 from the list. Enter the pin on the keyboard and press enter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.